So the job lot of hard drives come in, all 3.5 inch. Some are taller than others. So it's going to hook them up, run them through probably Victoria, just see what sort of condition they're in. I'm hoping they're really bad. I've got an MRT tool coming from China, so that I can look into the firmware and do firmware repair on them and learn about the tool. I'm going to get it set up in that Lenovo. So yeah, I'll go through these, check how good they are. Hopefully they're terrible. And then when that tool comes, I'll do the video of it, how to use it and try and learn it. Okay, so that's the first one. Just tried to plug it into Victoria, but something's getting really hot on the board, so I'll have to check that one later. So that's a PCB fault. Okay, so this one's connected. I'll just have a look at the smart. Some problem areas. I'll give it a scan now. Well, just let that go, see how it gets, see how good the drive is. I've just got it on test, I haven't got it on repair. Just ignore any bad sectors. You can get it to refresh them, so, and to erase the drive. So that one's finished. Seagate, 250 gigabyte. Got one 250 millisecond. Well, that's pretty good overall. So that's a half decent hard drive. So I'll try the next one. So I'm just checking what's on this first good one. I've got to clean the board as well after. So I'll clean the board and the contacts up. It should be a good drive. I'm just scanning it and it looks like whoever sold them didn't wipe them properly. So I'll just scan the first 10 gigabytes to see if I can pass the files. It's coming to an end now. I will just stop it and just see. So, recognise something there. See if it can pass the files into a system. Slowed down for some reason. So yeah, it's all the user's files there. I won't go any further. I'll wipe this disc. Just shows you, always wipe your disc before you sell it. So they're all pretty good. That one is a PCB fault, so I've got to take that to pieces and have a look. These two were freezing, and I think it was that one as well, the WD. That one's good. I'm just wiping them now. Sometimes if you wipe them, it gets some unfrozen and get some communicating all right. I'll clean the PCBs as well. But that's it for today. I'm just waiting for the MRT tool, firmware tool, and then I'll do some practicing with these.